Hello students, today we are going to do the next poem, Trees. We are all well aware about trees and we have read a lot about them, we have seen them, we have enjoyed around them. Trees are an inherent part of our life. We cannot live without trees. Let us see what Shirley Bauer has told us about trees. Take a few minutes to tell one another the names of trees that you know or have heard of. There are many trees and we know of. Mention the things trees gave us. And you are all very well aware about what trees gave us. Let us see in the poem also what the poet has tried us to convey, that how our life revolves around trees and how we cannot live, human civilization cannot live without trees. Trees are for birds. Birds are not only human beings, but the animals, the birds, etc. also live on trees. Trees are for children. All the children play around trees, under the trees, they climb on trees, they eat the fruit of trees, they play with the leaves and flowers. So we are always indulgent at some point or the other with trees, and our life is impossible without trees. Trees are to make tree houses in, and you would have seen tree houses. Beautiful tree houses are made on trees, and people even live on them. Sometimes earlier they were made to save or to protect the human beings from rain or other unfavorable weather conditions. But nowadays, even people are making tree houses in their own garden, etc. They love tree houses and to live in. And also, if you go to forest, you can live on the tree houses, etc. Trees are to swing swings on. And when we were all small, we all used to swing under the tree, on the branch of the tree. And this was the a very wonderful part. The best swing is a swing on a tree. And I hope that you would all have enjoyed on it. Trees are for the wind to blow through. And how wonderful the wind looks when the cool breeze blow through the branches of the trees under the canopy, and it is so soothing, so wonderful to feel that fresh air under a tree. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. And when all the children are playing hide and seek, trees are also a nice way to hide behind the tree. So, yes, many children, many of us have played hide and seek, and we have hidden ourselves behind a tree, the trunk of the tree. Trees are to have tea parties under. You would have seen the marriage gardens, the parties, etc. So the best place to party is in a forest, in a nice lawn, or under the trees. So we are all human beings enjoying tea parties under the trees. Trees are for kites to get caught in, and the kites all get caught under in the trees. Yes, whenever you are flying a kite, the kites are normally caught in the trees because the branches are very thick, and that is why all these branches make the kite stuck in it, and that is why the kites are torn down. Next, we see that trees are to make cool shade in summer. In summer, the best place to be to spend your time is just under the tree or in a forest. So how cool you feel when you spend your time in summer under a tree. So we have all enjoyed, and we are very well aware about this. Trees are to make no shade in winter. And yes, one thing is there, that trees provide us shade. And in winters, though we like trees very much, but we just stay a little away from the trees. We sit among the trees, but in the sunlight. So the shade is blocked in winter by the tree. Apples, trees are for apples to grow on, and all the fruits, all the vegetables are coming from plants, and most of the fruits are coming from the trees. So if you love apples, if you love mangoes, all these are coming from trees. Trees are for apples to grow on, and pears, the lovely pears that you would like to eat, they are all coming from trees. Trees are to chop down and called timber. And what is this timber? The wood for furniture is known as timber. So once the tree is dead and we cut down it, or we cut the tree and we dry it up for furniture, for the wood to make furniture, this is known as timber. Again, it is very, very useful to us, because all our furniture, all our other decorations in the houses are all made from timber. Trees make mothers say, "What a lovely picture to paint." And whenever you draw a picture, it almost in every scenery, no scenery is possible without a tree, I think. So mostly we are making a nice scenery with the trees, with the rivers, with the sun, with the mountains. So tree are again important part of our imagination, our creativity. We love to paint it. We love to, we are soothed seeing it, even in a painting. Trees make fathers say, "What a lot of leaves to rake this fall." But yes, one thing is there, that trees, when there is this dry season, and there is this leaves falling down, then it is all a lot of mass that is collected in the form of dry leaves. But students, you know very well that even these dry leaves get mixed with the soil to make a very fertile part, and that is known as humus. So in every way, the weather, and we know that trees provide us, they are medicinal plants also, they are ornamental plants also. So each and every way trees are helping us, and our human beings life is just impossible without trees. When trees will not be there on the face of the earth, I think the humankind would become extinct. So this poem is telling us how important trees are in our lives. I hope you would have understood this, as it is a very easy poem. Try to revise it, and I'll send you the question answers to practice well.